Are you using skincare devices at home? I just received the Medicube AGE-R Pro, and this is the one in the pink and nice color. I'm going to do an 8-week challenge to see if it really works. Will it help my mature, wrinkly skin? So subscribe to my channel and we will see. I will update every week. I've done my pictures today, so I have before pictures and we will do the after. Let's give it 8 weeks and see what it can do to my not so beautiful skin anymore. By the way, I'm in my late 50s, and when I was young, we were baking in the sun every summer and not much sunscreen on. Remember how it was back then? Well, I sound like I'm really old, but I'm not. I'm young at heart. I'm young in mind. I would really appreciate it if you would join me on this journey, and I will test out so much more also coming up. Join me.